Hello everyone, I am Nimish Wagre. In GATE 2021, I have secured All India Rank 23 in Chemical Engineering. Today I am going to discuss with you how to make your timetable for GATE preparation. So let us start our discussion. In this video, I will discuss for those who are in BTech, means they want to face a lot of college lectures, projects, and such kind of activities. And other who are getting much time, means they are free. They do not want to attend much lectures in college. So I will discuss for both. So let us start. In first category, those who are in BTech and want to face college lectures. So what I will suggest is, I am assuming that you are getting a half day you are spending in college, and then remaining half day, my personal suggestion is not start from reading books. Means if in half day, remaining half day, if you start reading books, you will not consume that much syllabus. Means that much topic will not get covered in a half day. So what my suggestion is, means if you are starting a subject, then start it from listening YouTube lectures or any other platform, unacademic platform lectures, and in any such kind of a platform. Don't directly jump to a book. You will find it difficult, and you will spend your much time. You will waste time, and if you do it from lecture, you will cover more syllabus in a small amount of time. This is one advantage of listening lectures instead of directly going from books. This is one point I will suggest you. And as you want to face many lectures, means as you are in one day you are spending most of the time in college lectures and such kind of activities. What I will suggest is, use your Saturday Sunday time. Means do many lectures and make proper notes in Saturday and Sunday. Means after 6 hours in Saturday Sunday both day, then you will cover most of the syllabus. And after as you have made notes from it, in a whole this week you should revise that much only. In this way you can start your preparation for GATE if you are in a second year or third year. But if you are now in final year, then you want to give much time for GATE. Remember guys, those who try to get good rank in GATE in your final year only. Means if you didn't get a good rank in your final year and you spend 1 year, it will you bring additional pressure on you while giving GATE next year. You will feel that पूरा एक 1 year वेस्ट कर दिया है, अभी अच्छी रैंक नहीं आई तो क्या क्या होगा. You will face such kind of pressure during giving examination if you take drop. So it's my suggestion to you, try to get best rank in GATE in your final year only. This is one suggestion I want to give. And talking about my timetable, what I was doing is, when I was in second year and third year, I was not getting that much time. I want to face college lectures and lot of other activities. So I joined one coaching institute, and a weekend coaching institute. In a weekend, I was learning 6 hours per day, with 6 hours on Saturday, 6 hours on Sunday. Means I was learning 12 hours on Saturday, Sunday, and making proper notes of what they are teaching to me. And in remaining 5 days, Monday to Friday, I was revising what they have taught us in Saturday Sunday. Just this is I did only in second year and third year. And in my final year, as there was corona pandemic, everywhere lockdown get declared, and I was getting a lot of time for GATE preparation. At that time, what I was doing is, I was dividing whole month into 2 parts, 15 days, 15 days. And in this 15 days, I was taking 3 subjects. Let us consider fluid mechanics, heat transfer, or plant design and economics. I was taking these 3 subjects, and I was doing other revision. Means studying, reading my notes, making points, writing important points. In this way, for 14 days, and on 15th day I was doing a solving test series, means 3 papers of these 3 subjects from different test series. And by my luck, there at that time unacademic test series Super 30 was going on, so I was solving this all this paper in on weekend. In this way I studied when I was in 4th year. And I paid a special attention on mathematics, means while doing in any 15 days, as 3 subjects technical subjects going on, parallelly I was taking one mathematics subject like calculus or differential equation, Laplace transformation, any subject I was taking in parallel and doing revision along with them. Means at night when I was feeling sleepy, at that time I was starting solving numericals, mathematics numericals. And in this way I studied when I was in final year. And what I want to tell you is, while you are reading anything, any subject or any notes, if you are unable to focus, means any at मेरे बारे में बात की जाए, वैसा बहुत कॉलेज के थॉट्स आते थे जब पढ़ाई करने बैठा था गेट की, इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं डेवलप होता था, और कॉलेज के बहुत थॉट्स आते थे रहते थे, टीचर ऐसा वैसा या ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे बहुत थॉट्स आते थे। तो उसको मैं फोकस रहने के लिए एक मैंने स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो किया कि जब भी नोट्स पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ भी पढ़ रहा हूँ, एक रफ नोटबुक लेके रखता था, और उस पर जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, इम्पोर्टेंट फार्मूलेज, जो कुछ भी लगेगा मुझे वो लिख के रखता था। ऐसे लिखते हैंड प्रैक्टिस होने के लिए, और उसके वजह से मेरा फोकस रहता था पढ़ाई पे, और कहीं इधर उधर ध्यान नहीं जाता था ज़्यादा। आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो हाउ टू रिमेन फोकस व्हाइल गेट प्रिपरेशन, एंड आई एम थिंकिंग टू मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑल्सो ऑन, अभी 5 मंथ्स बचे तो 5 मंथ में कैसे प्लान करें, कैसे टाइम टेबल रखे, और उस स्ट्रैटेजी क्या रखे आपकी, उस पर भी मैं एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाऊंगा। And talking about our second part of this video, those who are getting a lot of time now, means they do not want to face much college lectures and haven't much activities, then I will seriously request them, use this time properly. Means don't think you are getting a lot of time and you have a lot of time, 5 months remain, it is very short period remain for your preparation, you want to do a lot of study. So use this time properly and don't waste your time on this any other activities like mobile, WhatsApp, Facebook. Strictly avoid all these activities for just 5 months. Your life will totally change after these 5 months. Keep in mind in this sentence. This is what I want to tell to those who are in college lectures and those who are getting a lot of time. And I want to give suggestion for both of them, that start your full length papers, complete your syllabus as early as possible and start full length paper as early as possible. बिकॉज मैंने 1-2 बार रिवीजन कर लिया और उसके बाद ऐसे फुल लेंथ पेपर स्टार्ट किया, उसका मुझे जल्दी आया, फुल लेंथ पेपर स्टार्ट किया, उसका मुझे एडवांटेज क्या हुआ, जब कुछ पेपर स्टार्ट किए, 10 एक पेपर सॉल्व किए फुल लेंथ, उसके बाद मुझे ध्यान में आया कि मैं बहुत कुछ भूल रहा हूँ, बहुत से कंसेप्ट मैंने पढ़े नहीं है, तो उसका स्टडी करने के लिए मुझे बहुत टाइम मिला बाद में. That's all I want to discuss with you in this video. And guys, thank you for watching this video, and more for such kind of videos, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and let's crack it.